Hello, this is Siomak Farshidi, a PhD candidate from Utrecht University. Recently, we designed and implemented a decision support system for assisting software architects with their design decisions in pattern-driven software design. Let's log into the system and see how it works. Okay, as you can see here, we have three different options. The first one is make a new decision. We have 6 different decision models for different decision problems, including software architecture, pattern selection. Also, we can revisit our recent decisions, and also we can view other people's decisions and learn from their decision-making process. Well, let's open one of the recent decisions. First of all, we need to describe the domain of the problem in terms of the title of the problem and also a brief description of the domain. And also we can upload the logo of the company. Next, a software architect should define her feature requirements. As you can see here, we have a set of predefined features that a software architect can assign one of the must-go priorities to each of these features in order to define her feature requirements. For instance, someone can say, okay, graphic user interface is a must-have for me, but support access control is a should-have for me, but I need multiple clients and is a must-have for me. And also, a software architect can define her quality concerns. For instance, time behavior, resource utilization, reusability, performance efficiency, and so on. As you can see, they are all defined for alpha's profit in this case. Next, we can click on evaluate alternatives to see the differences between the patterns and also find the right set of patterns for our case. Okay. As you can see here, we have the feature requirements and different solutions for these requirements. Actually, the DSS didn't find single patterns, or for instance, let's say layer. Layer doesn't support access data simultaneously, and also it doesn't support graphic user interface and so on. But a combination of the patterns can be considered as a solution to all these requirements. Okay, and now we can see the impact of the patterns or the solutions on the quality attributes of ISO standard, ISO 25010. Also, we can see top 10 feasible solutions. I'm going to talk about each of these abbreviations in a bit. And also, you can see the decision structure for our decision-making problem. Okay, we can click on report to see a brief description of the decision-making process. First of all, we can see the feature requirements and their priorities, must-go priorities. Again, the impact of the patterns on the quality attributes, top 10 solutions, and the explanation of those solutions. For instance, the first solution is a combination between client-server, share repository, cloud-based layers, and C2. The second one is client-server, share repository, cloud-based layers, microservices, microkernel, and so on. So, yeah. And then we can see the impact of the patterns on the quality attributes. H means high, M means low, M means medium, L means low, and a question mark means unknown, which means that we didn't find any evidence to support the impact between the pattern and the quality attributes based on the systematic literature review that we have done.